So Nick, what can you tell me?
Well, based on my no formal experience and only seeing 3 Fast and the Furious movies, first of all, the car never went scoot-doo-doo-doo-doo. Is that an issue?
It's not an issue for a naturally aspirated V8.
Okay, beautiful. Hey legends, Nick Cody here. Thanks to TAFE Queensland, today I'm learning how to become a mechanic. Hopefully they can teach me how to fix the back light of my car, which I broke when I backed into a bin too quickly on the race to get fish and chips. Anyway, let's go. Nate, I'm ready for anything. What are we doing here today?
Well, we've got one that's running a bit rough. I'm going to get you to take a look at it for us.
Perfect. All right, I just got my P plates last year.
Congratulations.
Thank you for not making fun of me. Can I drive this?
No.
But I can look at it.
You can look at it.
Fantastic. Then I'd like to do that. Should we start her up?
Let's
I'll
give
try
her
and
a
figure
run.
it out. Let's go. Is the issue that you can't get your drive-through water through? It's too noisy. One large Big Mac meal, thanks. One large Big Mac meal, thanks. You'd have an issue there.
So Nick, what can you tell me?
Taco is spelt wrong. There's no H in taco.
Taco.
Taco, what's that?
Tachometer. So we were over-fueling?
Too much fuel.
Too much fuel.
I always bring the car home filled up and my wife drops it off empty. I thought I was being a good bloke, but it turns out too much fuel is bad in this situation.